most commonly known to Star Trek fans as... Paul was Theseus in Balance of Terror. Okay, Theseus in Balance of Terror, and then in Amok Time you were... Saw, right.
Oh, where is he?
It was a long time ago.
Yeah.
I'm lucky to remember breakfast. So, how you doing? Yeah, fun? I always good. Wake up in the morning. Yeah, any day you wake up in the morning. Are you local? I know. I'm LA. Oh, you're local. So you can walk straight there. Vegas. You come down to Vegas. Yeah, fun.
Good to see you.
Now, sure.
Oh, well, hold up your book so we can plug your book. All right. National. Like a national book. Oh, being on. Yeah. So you know what? A multitude of sins. You're a hopeless romantic. You just keep getting married. This is one where the having is better than the wanting. There you go.